Hey everyone, if you're watching this, chances are you're dealing with hair thinning or loss, and it is a common struggle that is totally normal. And today we're diving into a device that's generating a lot of buzz in the hair restoration world. It's called the Growband Pro. I was sent one and I did a bunch of research on it. So let's explore the science behind it and see if it could be the solution you've been looking for. So let's start with the science of hair loss. Before we jump into the Growband Pro, let's quickly recap what causes hair loss. Often it's due to reduced blood flow to hair follicles and increased scalp tension. These factors can lead to miniaturization of hair follicles and eventually hair loss. Enter the Growband Pro. The Growband Pro targets these root causes through three main mechanisms. Number one, scalp massage. It provides a gentle, automated massage to your scalp. Number two, tension reduction. By lifting the scalp, it aims to alleviate chronic tension. And number three, pressure. So this increases blood flow to your hair follicles. And studies have shown that users experience an increased blood perfusion, not just during use, but for hours afterward. And this sustained boost in circulation is crucial for delivering nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles. A study published in the National Center for Biotechnology Information found that scalp massage can significantly increase hair thickness. The Growband Pro builds on this research by providing consistent and effective scalp stimulation. Moreover, by reducing scalp tension, the Growband Pro may help decrease DHT levels in the scalp. High levels of DHT are often associated with hair loss, particularly in those genetically predisposed to it. Most users report seeing some signs of hair regrowth within 1 to 3 months if they use it consistently. After about 6 months, you might notice a reduction in scalp tightness, and more significantly, you might see some improvements in hair growth. Of course, individual results can vary, so it's not one size fits all. But comparing to other treatments out there, unlike a chemical treatment or unlike some other things on the market, the Growband Pro does not rely on drugs. So this means it's less likely to cause side effects, and that's a bonus. It's also non-invasive. You don't need a hair transplant, there's no surgeries. It just makes it a lot more accessible and an easier option for a lot of people. Overall, I'd say it's an innovative approach to hair loss. And what's cool about it is that it's backed by scientific principles of blood flow and scalp health. So if you're looking for a natural, non-invasive solution to support your hair health, it could be worth considering. Remember, everyone's hair loss journey is unique and it's different. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. I am not one. I'm just a journalist that researches a lot of beauty and hair products. But I do want to know if you've tried the Growband Pro or if you're considering it. Let me know in comments your thoughts or your questions, and I will be happy to help answer them. If you found this information to be helpful, don't forget you can like and subscribe for more science-based health and beauty insights, as well as many reviews that I do where I test the product on myself.